Hello YouTubers, welcome to Two Awesome Tutorials, and today I'll be showing you how to fix your NAT or blocking your connection with other players uh, anywhere on any public internet, because I have had this problem and it's been pretty annoying because I wasn't able to play any game online with different players or with my friends because my internet keeps on blocking my connection with other players, and because I'm on public internet and I wasn't able to do the port forwarding, the things that you would usually do, such as doing the port forwarding, getting your DMZ done, and blocking your uh, turning off your Wi-Fi, your Windows Wi-Fi and Defender. Regardless of that, it wasn't working for me. So what I had to do is I had to get access to a reliable VPN that would help me to do gaming with stable ping and connection. So usually I have a link in the description where you can check if you have access to your router and is your own router at your home. You might be able to do port forwarding and be able to connect to other players. Right now I'll be telling you how to connect to other players when you're using your public internet. Maybe you're in a public place, or maybe in your university or college. So this method works for you wherever you are, whatever internet you're using. First of all, you wanna get access to your VPN. There are multiple VPNs on internet. However, the VPN I found works perfectly fine for me and many of my other friends. So the VPN is called Avast Secure Line. It comes with Avast antivirus. However, you might be able to get it by itself. At first, when you install your Avast internet, you can literally Google it up. uh, the link will be in the description as well. You can go ahead and download it. Once it's downloaded, you will be able to get some sort of free period or trial period to test it out. You can test it out in that period and see if it works for you. If it's working perfectly fine for you, then go ahead and purchase the whole year VPN with them. So it costed me about 29 pounds for the whole year, which I think is pretty decent for what they're providing. Other services are great. You have many countries in here which you can connect to and get to your gaming. It works perfectly fine and is pretty stable as well, I would say. So I purchased this for the whole year, and just by clicking whatever country you're in, and it's gonna connect you within seconds, and you can go ahead and get back to your gaming. And I can assure you that this method will work for you. If it doesn't work, or you're having any problem, please and go to the comment section and let me know what your problem is, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.